PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 19th day of March. James Spann here. Another beautiful day today, and really, the weather looks good into early next week. A little cooler tomorrow with a cold front coming in here this evening in dry fashion. Let's look out the window. Some Skycam shots. How about that Gulf Shore Skycam looking good? That's from the top of the Phoenix Alt Suites, looking back to the west, a sunny sky. Sumter County, that's the Skycam there at the University of West Alabama in Livingston. Same deal. And from Birmingham, that's a late morning shot there looking out toward the Birmingham airport. And the sky mostly sunny. And that with a cold front coming in. The clouds are really mostly behind that front, and we'll have a narrow band of clouds coming in here this evening. But the air is so dry, I think we can just pretty much drop out any significant chance of rain tonight and basically look at dry weather in the days ahead, at least through early next week. Let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at noon tomorrow. Trough rotating on the East Coast. Down below that, a new surge of dry air settling in here. And we think the highs tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 60s. It's about 10 degrees cooler than today. Saturday starting off the weekend, a beautiful day. Going to be chilly Saturday morning. We think the average low will be close to 40, but the colder valleys could reach the 30s with the possibility of a little scattered light frost. So keep that in mind. But again, we'll warm up into the upper 60s. Sunday, sunny with a high close to 70. Monday of next week, check out that Lee low in the Rockies, 988 millibars. Very strong south winds out there across the southern plain states, but we stay dry. Tuesday of next week, again, most of the action to the west. That could be a severe weather day right there for parts of North Texas, West Arkansas, East Oklahoma in advance of that thing. Wednesday, the main surface low is pretty far north. It's up near Des Moines, and it looks like that band of showers and storms will settle in here Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday night. With the main dynamics lifting out, it would seem like the severe weather threat would be relatively minimal at this point. But, hey, this is late March, you know. And then Thursday, the front just kind of stalls out and a wave forms in the front, producing a pretty good batch of rain and storms there. So the consistency is very good in Wednesday and Thursday of next week being wet with rain and storms. Beyond that, there's not much consistency. Take a look at Friday, the 27th, a week from tomorrow. Dry, but no cold air. And then on Saturday, the 28th, where we have seen a long wave trough over the east on a number of runs, it's long gone. The polar jet is way up north, and accordingly, no cold air. That looks awfully mild. So understand this is in horrible conflict with the model we showed you this morning, the OZ run. And, of course, this is out there in voodoo country, but I bet you it comes back. I think the idea is that we get some pretty good rains over the latter half of next week, and it turns sharply colder in direct contrast to what you're seeing there. We'll jump there at the end of the forecast period. This is April the 4th. Pretty good-looking Vortmax swinging down through the upper Midwest. That looks pretty cold and snowy up there. And again, I just believe we'll probably see at least two more pretty good cold snaps with potential for freezing temperatures at least two more times this season. And just too early to call on when and how cold. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.
Weather.